My people, no be small thing o. Come hear wetin this prophet talk concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But first, I have to say I reject it. But however, this game Nigeria government is playing on Nnamdi Kanu is not gonna be easy for them. I want you to also listen to what the lawyer said when they visited Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Confirmed that another group of Nigeria or medical doctors has confirmed even 5 more deadly diseases or that are rising on Nnamdi Kanu's body. Apart from the recent one, they have been telling us that the condition need urgent attention or something bad may happen. Let us watch the video of the lawyers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before we watch the one of the prophets. Stay tuned to the end of this video and you will understand what is going on. We pray that nothing happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Okay, thank you very much. Today is the 24th of September 2025. Myself and my colleagues were just coming out from PSN's facility somewhere along the Lube Express Highway, where we went to visit our client Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to find out the status of his health, only to discover that yesterday, the 23rd of September 2025, the Nigerian Medical Council brought in seasoned medical practitioners from various zones of the institute to conduct and review the examination done by Professor Araj on our client Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You know, it became necessary because of the controversy raised by one officer of the DSS called Dr. Nasir Mohammed, who wanted to debunk all the tests and all the findings of Professor Araj. Araj had found that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has issues with his kidney, with his pancreas, with his prostate, with his heart, the depletion of potassium in his bloodstream. And he deposed to those facts in an affidavit before a court of law. Unfortunately, one Mr. or Dr. Dr. Nasir Mohammed, who was not, or who has never on his own inspected or investigated Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, decided to depose to an affidavit contradicting the whole findings. Thank God the Attorney General of the Federation, Fabemi SAN, wanting to do justice, we believe, now requested the Medical Council to give him an independent body to review or to investigate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's status. As we are here today, the 25th, we want to tell you that the 24th of September 2025, we want to inform the world that this team of doctors confirmed the findings of Professor Araj and also discovered more. As a matter of fact, they found out that Mazi has an issue with the nursery that requires urgent medical surgery. Now, this is incurred as a result of torture in Kenya, in the hands of the Kenyan security operatives and their Nigerian collaborators when they renditioned him from Kenya to Abuja, Nigeria. So the situation of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's health, as we are saying today, is deteriorating by the day. We are urging Nigerians and lovers of freedom to take into consideration that it is only a man that is alive that can ever stand trial. And we do not know what is the specific interest of Nasir Mohammed that he is giving counter affidavits, counter information to the Nigerian society. What does he have to gain from the ill health of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Please, we want our country to understand that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who has not committed any crime known to law, is suffering injustice and punishment for something that does not exist. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu only believes in the freedom of his people. He believes in self-determination. He is fighting for self-determination. And we trust and believe strongly that on Friday, that everything, all this drama, all this shenanigans will come to an end. We believe and trust Justice Omotosho. We know that he will do justice. We believe and trust that the laws of Nigeria will be respected, at least even if it is for once. The federal government of Nigeria will respect the laws and the constitution of this country. Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who is suffering, who is dying gradually, courtesy of the federal government of Nigeria, is still strong in spirit. He is still strong in his opinion. He is still strong in the heart. We only want him to be alive to the end of the trial. We want him to be alive to see justice done. We want him to be alive to realize the vision that he has. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, gentlemen.
God revealed to me how Nnamdi Kanu died. And after Nnamdi Kanu died, there is this medicine after death. We for release him. We for allow to exercise his right. And before then, he's gone. God said I should tell the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to please forgive Nnamdi Kanu and order the release of Nnamdi Kanu. God said it should not look like the one of MKO Abdullah, that after election, they said he's not the one that won the election. After the man have died, IBB, Babangida, is coming out to say that of a truth, he was the one that won. He's coming to confess now when the man is no more. The one of Nnamdi Kanu should not be like that. That later they will come and confess the man not really doing it. But the bottom line is God said he's going to visit the sin of Nigeria that has forgotten. If Nigeria fail to forget about the wrongdoing, if at all there is any, of Nnamdi Kanu, from the top to the least have sinned. The president have sinned. The senators have sinned. Nigeria have sinned. The military people have sinned. The little ones have sinned. The old have sinned. What we need is what? Forgiveness.
Because any go more no do. Any go more that I for just cooperate like ndi ozo BB pop okome. Ejele ma ala beke no na anwo na anwo. You feel me? That's the typical Igbo behavior. Amadia de mi ihe nje eti gonum. Anyi ni drime enyi nwere ngwa agha. Anyi ni diroyi. Nda choi mo yi ndi ocha. Achoro m ije obodo toro aka. Obodo toro aka ga-eri ego. Ego obula ịtụrụ ga-aga toward ime enyi siri ike ga-agbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka. A na-achị anyị ọchị. Ndị a napụrụ ha oke ha broad daylight, onwe ihe ha na-eme, nothing is burned down. A na-achị anyị ọchị. Don't you see a pattern? Nke na-achị mbembo onye na-akpụ isi n'ala, nke na-achị wee onye na-akpụ isi n'ala, nke jeje ịbata onye na-akpụ isi n'ala. Agwara m gị sị gị, Christianity is religion for the weak. Look around. Now who they give white the most headache? Allah Akuba. I need to convert. Ayaka look long enough. Okay, we able jirai. Okay, makes us weak. Okay, makes us submissive. Onye nsọpụta na-abịa, a ga-agbatara gị ọsọ enyemaka. Oge gị na-abịa, ị na-aka na-eje. Onwego onye na-abịa. Tụọrọ m ụtọ ka m were m jee obodo m chọrọ ije jeje mara na onye isi ha oge nye ya ngwa agha.
Oh, abeg make una share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Nigeria government, stop playing this game you guys are playing with the Biafrans and with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. There's nothing bigger than peace. This company that British created for us, we are trying to protect, is not going to help us, but it's going to set us back. No matter if you like, be a politician, send your children to school in abroad. And after schooling in abroad, and they will end up working as a laborer in that same country. So what good do you do to yourself? Do you think that this money you are stealing is going to be there forever? Think about the future. While black people, think about the future, not now. Think about the future. Let us do something that will bring development to ourselves. Look at Europe. Most of our states are bigger than their country, but still yet they are living as a country. So why we cannot do the same thing? Share this video.